Do you think that you can just sell your house or buy a home on your own and you don't need a realtor? That's crazy talk. It's crazy thinking. Hey, this is Brad Niccum with Nest Mortgage. I think it's really important to understand why you need to have a realtor when you're going to sell your home or buy a home. If you think about any transaction you're going to go through in life, you're probably going to hire a professional to help you through that. You know, if you're going to plan for your retirement, don't you want a financial planner, someone that does that for a living to guide you through that crazy, confusing process it is to invest and plan for your future? Or if you're going to, say you're in a lawsuit, you're in a car wreck and you need to sue somebody for crashing into your car, you're going to hire a lawyer or you're going to do it yourself? And if you're going to get audited by the IRS, don't you think it's important to have an accountant guide you through that process? You know, I think, gosh, I've worked a calculator before, but that doesn't mean I can be an accountant. And man, I've definitely won an argument before in my life, but that doesn't mean I can be a lawyer. You know, when I bought a house one time, that doesn't mean I know all the ins and outs of the real estate process. You know, as a seller, a lot of people think, oh, I just got to put a sign in my yard. It's a seller's market. I'll get more for my house. But how do you know you have your home priced at the right price? How do you know you're going to be able to get through the inspection process and know that the house is going to pass and make it through without any issues? How do you know what to do if somebody brings you an offer that's a VA offer or an FHA offer? Can your house be financed by a USDA loan? A realtor will know all of these things. They'll be able to guide you through that entire process. They'll be able to do a comparable market analysis to know that your house is actually being listed for the correct price. They'll be able to know that the offers that you get are good offers and that they're looking out in your best interest. You know, as a seller, how much closing costs am I going to have and how much closing costs should I pay for this seller? A realtor will know. And think of this, if you're going to go out and buy a house, you know, a lot of people think they can just look for a house on Zillow and then walk up and make an offer on the house with nobody representing them at all. They're going to go walk up to the house that the realtor's been hired to represent that seller and just see if they can buy it. It's like if you're getting sued, not hiring your own attorney, but calling the attorney that's representing the person suing you and saying, hey, can you help me through this process? You'd be a buffoon to do that. Yet here we are jumping into the real estate business thinking, oh man, I've bought a house before or I've bought something before. I don't need a realtor to help me. It's really important to have someone guide you through this process to make sure that you're really doing the process properly and really protecting yourself. That's what a realtor's for. So if you don't know a realtor, feel free to give me a call or email me or text me or DM me or however you want to get a hold of me. I work with several of the best realtors in the city of Indianapolis and also some of the best realtors up in the Wabash County area and even in the northern Indiana area. So reach out, I'll get you in touch with a great realtor that can help you. And in the same thought process, if you are thinking about selling, don't you want to know what you can buy? Let's get you pre-approved and really see how far your money's going to stretch and how low those rates are today and what kind of payment you'd have. And if you've never bought before, give me a call so we can get you pre-approved and see what kind of program you can get qualified for and how much down payment you need and what that low payment could be. So I look forward to hearing from somebody this weekend. So have a great weekend. Call me 317-538-9825. Again, my name is Brad Niccum with Nest Mortgage Group.